Damn, I shouldn't have done that. Go ahead, click play on this one. 2.2 million views. Shout out Aiden. So you see a cat is on a trampoline, and a guy comes over. He goes, look how cute this is, this cat. You know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to launch this cat. I'm going to give this cat a little ride right here by jumping on this trampoline. Ooh. Cat set a trap. Cat set a trap. That trampoline is soaking wet, and the guy's day is ruined. His jeans, his shirt, he's completely soaked.
And the cat runs away.
And the cat is unscathed because the cat is quick and responsive. And here we go one more time for you. This guy is getting a kick out of it. He's laughing before he even gets there. And the cat's already off.
The immediate pyramid position that he takes after is very funny to me.
You can feel the wetness.
Yeah.
Now, I want to draw your guys' attention to something that's amazing about this clip that has nothing to do with this instant karma. The trampoline in the neighbor's yard.
Yeah. Wait for it, too.
It's the same trampoline
It's the exact same trampoline.
Yeah.
It's one of these that's dug into the ground. And one of the comments in the inside the Reddit post here. Well, first of all, there's chickens back there.
That's what I was going
to point out. Which is amazing. But how do you end up with two neighbors with the exact same setup? It's quite a commitment. Was there a traveling salesman? Was there a bulk deal?
Oh, you know what? I have two uncles that bought houses next to each other. So maybe it's like a...
They can't share a trampoline? They each need their own? They stare at each other while they're jumping?
Like over the fence?
No, because you have the hedge in the middle. They just jump and then they have a conversation only when they're above.
That's amazing. That's a good sitcom.
Yeah, it's an odd... They're the exact same trampoline. And the exact same installation. One is at the front of the yard, one is at the back. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's plenty of conspiracy theories. I wonder what Vin thinks about it.
Yeah.